Tony, are you playing your first game of pool?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, not that one. That's the good stick. That's the expensive one. Here's a little one.
Yeah.
That's better. Yeah.
That's
You only need
perfect.
one.
Perfect. Look at this.
Perfect size.
Perfect stick for Stoney. Daddy's going to use this one.
Mobe.
You gonna help Daddy out, Tony?
You know,
Yep.
I forgot to tell you, there's a crutch here if you want to use it.
Oh, yeah, oh okay, yeah.
It's right here.
Right, cool. Next, the next one.
Tony just tried her turn.
Well,
It's all right, wherever.
It's a three-way game.
whichever way you say it.